Some call me nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you.
Hi, my name is Malumbu Balumbu, and today I'm gonna teach all you young homies about nature. In nature, animals survive by eating leaves of the trees. So let's have a taste. Whoa, look at the beautiful water. Ah, clean and blue. Beautiful. Guys, we found something. It's a wild shoe. I think it's dead. If you look close to this tree. Ow! What the f***? A bee bit me! Is a bee bite poisonous? Stupid bee! I have to Google to see if there's a cure. Stop foaming, help me! There's no signal around here. God damn it, nature! I'm freaking out! I'm freaking out! I'm gonna have to cut my finger off. It's the only way the venom won't spread. My blood is pumping so fast. And that's nature, guys. Sometimes you have to lose a finger because nature. What the f? God damn it! A bee stung me again.
Where?
On my arm.